How about it, y'all? We're out here in North Florida bed fishing right now on this private lake we have a house on. I'll catch y'all if we find one on the bed or catch fish. Start video. How do they even make the beds? Ooh, I swear I had a bite. Oh yeah, it is, because I can still feel it pulling. Damn, bro. I swear I thought I felt a bite. Yep, a big old sack of grass. Throw it on somewhere. Can y'all please get me to 50 subscribers so I can go live while I'm fishing? Thank you. If y'all look, it's actually super clear. It's very clear. They're starting to bed here on this lake that we're on in North Florida. Is that a bed right there? Are these beds right here, Dad? Are these beds right here? I don't see any fish on them. I don't think I've ever caught a fish off a bed. Let's go. That's another fish. Get another fish. Oh, he came off. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, okay. Got another fish. Got another fish. He's not that big, but I got another one. Come on, baby. Don't come off this time. Let's go. Let's go. His lip is tore up. Another fish. That's the end on today's video. I'll catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Peace.